What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. I told y'all I would be bringing y'all this video early today. I'm not gonna drop it late. I'm not gonna drop it at midnight. You know what I'm saying? I am dropping it at a decent time. Everybody should be able to say round of applause for Retro for this one. Now I'm just messing with y'all. So today I told y'all I had this unboxing. Now this shoe I've actually seen and had in my hands. I bought it to the channel before, but I have never gotten the shoe, and again it happened to me, y'all, with STOCKX. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 50 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment below and let me know what recent pickups y'all done picked up, whether it be STOCKX, GOAT, in the store, you know, in a raffle, on the sneakers app, just whatever, man. Drop it down below. Get it! So y'all, here is the box from STOCKX, man. Y'all, I can't believe that it happened to me again. So I've been bidding on this shoe for a little bit over, probably like 7 months, 8 months. And every time, like, you know, when the bid expires, I go back in and I put one in. Nobody ever takes the bait for the price that I want to put in for these. But I went on ahead, man. I ain't even got to use no thing. STOCKX, you know, they keep it easy. I say that y'all don't take damaged boxes, but look at that. Look at that. STOCKX, y'all got to do that thing, no dented boxes. And look at this. Look at this thing, y'all. It's dented up, man. You can tell it's dented up, and you can see it on the bottom and everything. But hey, I guess you know it's the shoes you're wearing. But y'all know I'm box gang shouty, and I want my boxes to be crisp. So let's go ahead, let's get these things out the box. First and foremost, what shoe do y'all think it is that Retro picked up by the box? Let's go ahead and get these things about the box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we got the STOCKX stuff right here. I'm pretty sure that there is a sticker somewhere in there. You know how they put the stickers in there. But that dust cover for y'all, man. Nice, nice. You know what I'm saying? And y'all know we gotta dive up in them things. These have officially been smell test approved by your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. And if y'all didn't know, now y'all know. I picked up the Wing Ones, y'all. Very dope shoe. I love everything about these, man. This is my first numbered pair of Jordans, and just a very dope shoe that I wanted to pick up for a long time. You got that icy bottom right there for the wings on the bottom with wings right there. These did come with an extra set of laces. I got number 5,938 out of 19,400, and there it is right there for y'all. So let's go ahead and let's dive into these.
Alright, so we got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Wing Ones. These things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flame, y'all. Now, starting off with the bottom of the shoe, we have that translucent sole, icy bottom with the wings underneath it, and just getting a nice close-up, you can see you got the wings effect right there through it. Very, very dope. I'm digging that whole vibe right here. Starting off at the top, going down, you see it has kind of like that vintage old type look, kind of like a rusted gold feeling to the shoe, but I think it's dope. Coming up the tongue, y'all see we have that Wings logo, and right here it has that off-white Virgil type effect. I think this was the first pair to have that effect. We have a different type of laces on these right here, and you know, it's a lace swap for me, man. I gotta stick with the tips. I can't go with that shoe stringy type shit. So yeah, y'all, Wings on the back with that spread the wings logo again, just like the poster. All in all, the shoe is very dope. My first numbered Jordan in my collection. So right here in the inside, you have that size 11 Nike Air with the wings effect to it as well. Nothing rubs off on this pair either, y'all. 5,938 out of 19,400, not bad. So all in all, man, I'm really digging these. Y'all let me know if y'all have this pair in your collection. I'm glad to have these in the collection now. Yeah.
So y'all let me know what y'all think. Was this a good cop for me? My first number Jordan in the collection. Glad to have it inside the sneaker dungeon. Sneaker dungeon is well accepting of this shoe. And yeah, man, after a long time of bidding and not hitting and people not wanting to accept my price, I was finally able to cop these. And y'all let me know what y'all think about these things, man. I think these things are fuego. And I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, it's y'all first time rocking out with your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. It does not go unnoticed. Y'all head over to Instagram, follow your boy at the Retro Wiz Kid, posting them pictures for y'all. Over on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back. And don't forget to splash that like button over there on Facebook. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Tomorrow we got another banger for y'all. I might be vlogging later on today, so y'all might, if I don't upload that, I might upload that tomorrow just to get myself a little bit ahead of the tracks for uploading videos for y'all, so that way, you know, this weekend is South by Southwest in Austin, Texas. I will be in the building, y'all. I gotta slide to South by Southwest, man. I got to. So I love y'all, man. Appreciate all the love and support that y'all give me, man. It's time for me to spin them pictures for y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!